Thanks, twins.
Cheetah.
Keep your eyes sharp. Bravo says still on notice. Yeah. Maybe next time you'll check for syndicate tats before you pick them. Hey, Cal. How you holding up?
Just appreciating the view. What am I looking for?
2 beams wrapped around the yacht. Gotta take a lot of torque. I'm talking Jedi torque.
I think I can handle that.
Hey, Cal. I tried to move those beams, but...
Yeah, Gab's giving me the heads up.
All right.
First beam's down, Gabs. Can you tell the twins to pull down the yacht?
On it. Goop, Liz, your turn. Hold on. There's a factory vent that'll cook you medium rare. All clear, Cal. Long way to drop. Be careful.
I'm always careful.
Karina, saved your ass. You owe me a ship.
For the record, I loosened it up for you.
Nice job, Cal. Hop on. We'll bring you down.
I'm on, Gabs.
Twins, yacht's all yours.
For me and my lovely assistant to show you how it's done.
Let's go reintroduce ourselves to the Senator.
I knew he had unfinished business. Give us your terminal passcode.
Impossible. They'll execute me.
Maybe I could change his mind. You will give me access to your terminal.
I can't.
You can trust us. We're all friends here. Unlock it.
We're all friends here. I can trust you. I will unlock the terminal.
If he moves, blast him.
Oh, my pleasure.
All right, BD. Let's see what we got. They're everywhere.
Not the breakthrough we were hoping for.
Years of fighting. Nothing we've done has slowed them down.
What did you expect? You lost. The Republic is dead.
It was killed by politicians just like you.
Do you think I wanted Utapau to join the Empire? The compromises I made created a future for my people.
I've been to Utapau, Senator. They spit your name out like a curse.
At least they are alive. Why fight when you can't win? Surrender tastes bitter at first, Cal, but sweetens with time. Free me, and we'll cut a deal.
No, Senator. Someday when your children see this, they'll know the Jedi never stopped fighting for them.
How disappointingly naive.
Hey, the twins are getting that ravenous look. Let's wrap it up before we have another Karita incident on our hands, yeah?
What about him?
He's coming with us.
Okay, let's take their food to go.
Lucky you, Senator. You've got a date with Saw Gerrera.
He'll kill me.
Oh, I don't know about that. Depends on whether you cooperate. That's a skill Senator has, right? Cooperation.
We get what we need?
Yeah. Wonder what Saul has for us next.
First, we gotta get this intel topside.
Is there time for a quick tour of Sejan's terminal? I could see if the Senator's got anything else we could use.
And by we, you mean dirt you can sell to make some credits?
You can fight the good fight and still get yours along the way, Cal. That's war.
Maybe next time.
Fine. But lunch is on you, and the twins are starving.
We got a plan for the Senator?
Still thinking it through.
We could always ask Coob and Liz to see whether the Senator can fly.
They'll find you sooner or later, Jedi. You'll pay for this, Cal Kestis. Let me go, or your friends will suffer.
I've changed my mind. We should always target the Empire.
Yeah. Feels good to make a difference.
No, they're loaded. Filthy rich. Make the huts look clean by comparison. I bet this Senator has more credits stacked to this.
What took you so long? While you've been chasing shadows, I have been stopped!
You have been caught harboring a traitor. Castus! Open fire! Get to cover!
Thanks, Barrick and Inquisitor! Look out!
Yes, this way.
Cal, we gotta go!
Cal, come back!
Cal, where you going?
Get back here, Cal!
Are you kidding me? Gotta get to the Mantis. Gabs. The twins. We'll mourn later. Gotta keep moving. They're hunting us, buddy. Gotta stay one step ahead. Force is with me. Time to move.
Unauthorized access. Activating security protocols. You cannot escape.
Help me! Stem canister. That'll prove useful. That way's blocked. Come on. We'll come back later. Move, BD.
I will bring the knife to your head. The Empire strengthens me. Fear me. You'll pay.
Not today. Hey, BD, let's go.
Somewhere. We'll find them.
Be ready.
Insurgent!
I'm your ally.
They come!
Doubt Seer expected me to use it like that. Troopers everywhere. Gotta be careful, BD.
Gonna be my first kill.
You're not a threat.
Someone else get in here.
Hit me. I'm done with this place. Ready to move on? They want me. They've got me. You're alive.
Cal!
Good to see you.
All right? Spoke too soon.
I'll take the Inquisitor. Keep that other gunship off my back.
On it!
We gotta take her out.
Impressive! But you're hurting bad inside, Kestis. I can sense it. All the guilt you're feeling for those fools you led to their deaths makes you so predictable. So angry. Great! teeth! Quit running, Justice! You can't escape me! So satisfying! You're nothing, Kestis! I'll take your limbs off, piece by piece! Kestis, enough! Once around, always around. Impressive! But you're hurting bad inside, Kestis. I can sense it. All the guilt you're feeling for those fools you led to their deaths makes you so predictable. Don't push me away! Aren't you enjoying this?
Another stim.
Here we are. Unstoppable!
BD, I need help.
Are your friends all dead, Kestis? So angry, Cal. You can't stop this! Really? Am I supposed to be impressed? Oh, come down! I don't think so. Ready for some fun? Test it! Enough! Time to die, Crackle Rat!
were a Jedi Knight before you betrayed our order. Your name was Asana Tide. It's time to set you free. Yeah. We're okay. Bode, Bravo. Are you there? Let's get back to the Mantis. If the others made it out, they'll meet us at the hangar. If not...
I'll never stop. Move up! He's hit!
Stim, now! Hurry up, buddy. Hangar's close. We're alive.
Thanks to this crazy son of a Gundark.
You're hurt.
I'll manage. What happened to the Inquisitor?
Dead. The Gaps. And the twins. I should have.
They know what they signed up for. We need to get topside and transmit that intel to Saw Gerrera. That's how we honor the fallen.
You're right. Yeah. BD, call the ships.
Not the valet service I was hoping for.
Bravo. Got Overwatch?
On it.
All right. I'll draw their fire. You hit them when they aren't looking.
Let's get some payback. See you in the mix, Scrapper.
Moving into position. I got you covered.
Let's do this. Let's keep going. Bravo, you got our backs. Fight with me.
Target.
Keep your position. Where did you come from?
What a shot.
I got it.
We'll fight together.
Saving our ass.
Combat support down.
Bravo, my man.
Thanks, Bravo.
Keep one hit. Oh, looking at me.
All right, Bravo, keep it up.
What a shot, Bravo.
Fight by my side.
They're not so easily defeated. Why do you try? Damn it! Hold up! Cannot run forever. Right, last one. Blast it!
Help, BD.
5. Nice.
That one's all yours, Bode. Had a hunch this might be a hot exit. See you both in the air.
Ready?
Oh, this has been a great first date and all, but I still haven't gotten paid. Locator beacon?
Got the other on the Mantis. When things cool off, come and find me. We'll settle up.
Yeah. Sure, I can trust you.
You saw the intel. A lot more work to be done.
Looks like I made the cut, huh, BD?
Bode? May the Force be with you.
You're a great fighter, Cal. Let's see how well you fly.
How we looking, BD? Oh. Whatever it is, I'll have to wait until we get someplace safe.
No traffic. Looks like this portal's under maintenance.
As soon as we breach the surface, jump to light speed.
Gotta take the risk. We've already overstayed our welcome. We got company.
On my mark, hit the brakes. We'll drop behind it.
Copy that, Bravo.
Nice work, everyone.
Hope that's the last of them. Not a fan of long goodbyes.
More coming. I'll peel off, draw a few away.
Thanks, Bode. Good luck.
You too, Cal. See you soon.
I can't shake him!
Hold on.
That's one way to do it.
Learn that move from you. There's our exit. We're almost there.
More coming in from the surface.
In our tail. We're trapped.
Shields down. We're almost...
Took some hits back there. Mind running diagnostics while I transmit the intel? Sent. Let's hope this information does some good. We did it.
Hey, BD. Hey, are you making a Howler movie? Hey, let's make sure I look good, right? Get my best side, right? Books off my table, kid. Well, it's as we hoped. This book is a copy from the Jedi Archive.
That's great, Seer. Just wish we could have stopped the Empire from getting the rest.
Patience. This war won't be won soon. Or by us alone.
galaxy is vast, droid. And I have seen only a little of what it has to offer. But one day, I will return to Dathomir and whisper what I have learned to my sleeping sisters. You are not invited.
You know, it's not often I break out an old family recipe like this. Well, what do you think? Mara.
It's good. Could use some more salt.
Too much salt is bad for you.
It's wonderful, Grease. I'd actually pay credits for this.
Oh, yeah? Hey, I might start charging you, Cal. Hey, does anybody else smell something burning?
Gyro's failing. We need that. Any ports nearby that won't turn us in for a reward? Yeah. Pull up the Kobo system. That's where you settled down. Out in the middle of nowhere. Could be a good place to lay low. If anyone knows how to fix up the Mantis, it's Grease Dritus. Think we can make it? We should tidy up before we visit Grease. You know how he is about mess. Let's get this back on the workbench. We should reevaluate our setup. Think this could work? This one's ready to go. This one's interesting. It works, and it looks great. Let's see how it handles. Like the new look? We're almost there. Let's head up to the cockpit. Haven't used these since the scrapyard on Braca. Prof gave them to me. Cordova's toolbox from Bogano. Most of his things are probably still there, waiting for someone. This Shio bird's feather is supposed to bring good luck. There's Grease's salt shaker. Where did I put the pepper? Every day I wonder if I made the right call.